My video is about removing the ransomware that is called 8B5CL. The video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does with the files and how damaging it really is. Before the ransomware attack, of course, customers can open their files of any types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other documentation pretty easily. Regretfully, this particular ransomware, called 8B5CL, may be easily injected into the computer. Typically, this happens because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer. And then the ransomware starts modifying and damaging the files, so it is not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware encrypts all the files and also adds a special 8B5CL extension to the data. So after the encryption is successful, it is not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware, as I said, encrypts all the files that people store on their hard drives. Then after the encryption process is completed, it adds a special extension to the files, and the extension is called 8B5CL. So it is not possible to use these files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom definitely is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files will be restored. And this is this scary message mentioning that the files have been encrypted and that this special extension has been added. But you should not pay the ransom, because paying the ransom is simply the waste of your money. We recommend you to check the task manager of your computer, look for suspicious processes like this one, which could be related to the ransomware. Right-click on it and its task. This can help you stop the further file encryption. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately. And remember not to pay the ransom. The ransomware can be removed with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware, which you may get on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is so far available. You need to click on the Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is crucial for proper detection and removal of malware. Then, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and researching your device. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program would install these updates and begin actively and fully researching your computer. At the end of the scan, it would give you the summary of all the threats, but first of all, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called anti-ransomware. This feature, by the way, is the part of the premium license only. You could add one or several folders on your computer that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But remember that this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you'll see the information about threats, about their exact location, and we strongly advise upgrading to premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically.